You in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. There is an inheritance tax.
शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के सलाहकार उन्होंने कहा उन पर ज्यादा टैक्स लगना चाहिए.
Sam Pitroda's recent remarks on inheritance tax have ignited a heated debate in Indian politics.
Nothing wrong in being rich. Nothing wrong in accumulating wealth. But to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public.
Sam Pitroda, chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress, clarified his stance and accused the media of misrepresenting his comments to divert attention from pressing issues. In response, Prime Minister Modi and the BJP criticized the Congress manifesto, alleging plans for wealth redistribution.
शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के सलाहकार इस शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के पिताजी के भी सलाहकार उन्होंने कुछ समय पहले कहा था, और ये परिवार उन्हीं की बात मानता है. उन्होंने कहा था कि हमारा देश का जो मिडिल क्लास है, मध्यम वर्गीय लोग हैं, जो मेहनत करके कमाते हैं, उन्होंने कहा उन पर ज्यादा टैक्स लगना चाहिए. ये इन्होंने पब्लिकली कहा है. अब ये लोग उससे भी एक कदम आगे चले गए हैं. अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी. माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी.
What is inheritance tax? Inheritance tax, also known as estate tax, varies globally with rates as high as 55% in countries like Japan. How many countries have the inheritance tax? With an inheritance tax rate of 55%, Japan has one of the highest rates in the world. South Korea is not far behind with 50%. The inheritance tax rates in the US and the United Kingdom are 40% and 45% respectively. The inheritance tax has a big impact on social welfare programs and economic policies. What about India? Does India impose an inheritance tax? Unlike many countries, India currently does not impose an inheritance tax or capital gains tax, with the Inheritance Tax Act abolished in 1985. However, inherited assets may still be subjected to income tax as they generate income for the new owner. What are UK's politicians' views on inheritance tax? Finance Minister Jeremy Hunt declared at the budget that the government would abolish the current tax system for non-domiciles. He went on to say that a new, simpler system based on residency rather than domicile would be put into place starting in April 2025. Former UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson had called for a reduction in inheritance tax in the budget. According to a UK poll by YouGov, 56% of Britons are in favour of scrapping a levy on inheritance. With election season heating up, Sam Pitroda's remarks have sparked a crucial discussion on taxation and wealth distribution in India, highlighting a policy that is already unpopular in most of the world.